Let's learn about where to place and how to use also, to, and as well in a sentence. Also, as well, and to are adverbs and mean in addition. Also is commonly used in writing, but it is less common in speaking. For example, she works very hard, but she also goes to the gym every week. I've been working in the garden this week and I've also been reading a lot. As well is much more common in speaking than in writing, and is more common in speaking than also. As well almost always comes in end position. For example, I like apples and I like oranges as well. To is an adverb. To means more than enough. To means also. We can use to mean also. Examples of to meaning also or additionally. I am going to the party too. Examples of to meaning excessively or very. The soup is too hot.